Hey everyone, Daniel here once again with some more knives that we have in our showroom here at Serenity Knives. We're with Benchmade right now and basically going to be covering the Mini Freek. Now I know we've got a video for this guy already, the upgraded carbon fiber with S90V, but we've got the special and limited edition Mini Freek now. We've got a few of these in, guys. This is going to have natural G10 right here, as you can see. We're going to have green back spacers, which add that nice little flare to it. I like that really neutral color, not too dark, not too light. Black thumb stud here with a titanium mini deep carry pocket clip. As always, if you're familiar with Benchmade, great access lock. One of my favorite locks in the industry right now. Super ambidextrous. You're able to switch the pocket clip from one side to the other, but you don't get to do the tip down option. I'm fine with that, with how small this knife is personally. With the way this knife is, you put this in your pocket, it's just going to be something you're going to enjoy carrying regardless of the fact if it's tip up or tip down. So in reality, this is just a great overall knife. I love it. S90V, one of those really high-end super steels, guys. Holds an edge for a ridiculous amount of time, but it's extremely hard to sharpen. And by extremely hard, I mean you just got to know what you're doing. But let's take some measurements here. Let me switch these guys on out. We've got a blade just at about 3 inches. I'm getting it at right around a little over 2 3/4. God, I'm horrible at that, guys. Sorry. And then I like to measure right underneath the choil where my index sits. That you're looking at about 3 1/4, 3.5. Overall, we're right at about 7. So I really enjoy that ratio. It's almost a 1-to-1 ratio. And as you can see, it fits in my hand fairly well. I've got that 4-inch width, and that's on a max. It's really more on the lines of like 3.5. So I'm within that 4-inch, and basically I can hold this completely in my hand. I have a little slippage, nothing too bad to be worried about. And one of the really good things I love about Benchmade and what they do is they take their liners with their mechanism and they jimp them, so you get that grip not only in the thumb on the blade and in here, but underneath where your index finger goes. So I really like that. They want to prevent slippage, and so that's really a high point for me. As you can guys see, pretty much the same blade shape, the same lines that we've got. You've got the lanyard hole right there as well. This guy just has a regular stainless full-size carry, but as always, guys, pricing is going to be on serenityknives.com. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure you're clicking those buttons, and any questions you guys have, throw them out there. I will see you on the next video. You guys take care.